All right, well, earlier in the show, we talked with Common Ground volunteer Emma Vogt on what producers think about when it comes to choosing calves to sell.
Now Emma is back with an easy recipe that even small children can get involved with making. Here's more on Devil's Food cookies.
All right, well, you may be looking for an easy recipe that involves a dessert and maybe something that your kids can get involved with. We have that idea for you. Joining us now is Emma Vogt again, Common Ground volunteer. Emma, what do you have for us?
I have some Devil's Food cookies, and they are just as simple to make as can be. You start off with just any Devil's Food cake mix. And I just poured it into my mixing bowl here. You add a half cup of oil, 2 eggs, and then you just mix that all up. And it'll get a little thick, but it's a great consistency for a cookie.
Do your kids help you with this?
They do. My oldest two are 3 and 6, and they really love helping in the kitchen. And so this really works out great. It's something really simple that one can pour the oil in, one can pour the eggs in, and they can try to mix it for a little bit. And once you have it mixed up just to kind of a nice consistency there, you can pour in your chocolate chips, or if you like M&Ms, anything that you kind of like added to your cookies. It works out great. You can get it all mixed in. And my favorite thing with kids is just using like a small ice cream scoop, and they can squeeze it out. And that way there's no arguing about who made the bigger cookie or who can't quite roll it just the same. It just scoops out just nice and easy. So once you have your pan full of that, you put them in the oven at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes and pull them out and put them on just a cooling sheet or just right on a plate, and it works out great.
Those look great. And you know, the thing about it is it's easy. It's something that's easy to do.
It is, it's a great way to introduce that to kids. It's an easy snack this way that they can take on the road, and it just makes our lives a little easier.
All right. Well, thank you, Emma, for being here today.